Oke, baik. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Teman-teman mahasiswa, selamat datang di em, kelas bahasa Inggris pertama ya untuk semester 2. Baik, sebelumnya saya akan mempersiapkan dulu. Saya belum siap-siap ini, oke. Ini saya mohon izin persiapkan YouTube-nya dulu ya. Yeah. So I will go here and then go live. Okay, this time I will change it into the first one over here. Semester 2, bahasa Inggris 1. Semester 1, semester 2. And then the change in this one is in this okay, so we are set to go, and then we'll start streaming over here. Okay, okay, guys. So everyone is already in the classroom, so let's begin our classroom. Here we go. Let's go to our classroom over here. Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our first Saturday class, yeah. Please forgive me, there's a feedback. How are you, everyone? We have...
I'm fine, sir.
Fine, okay. Thank you, Rido. You already the second time, yeah? Okay, it's all right. And then we have, whoa, we have 27 participants. All right. Oh, wait a minute. It's raining. I will get my headset first. All right, so sorry. Let me get this headset first. Okay, can you hear my voice? Hello? Can you hear my voice, everyone?
Yes, Mr.
Okay, thank you very much. All right, let's begin our first. Well, basically this is not the first, but yes, it is the first for this class, yeah. But the material is not the first one, so this is the material from the class, from Friday's class, okay. But I will make a little bit adjustment to it because I can see that some of everyone here Okay, everyone can see it in your screen? Hello?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. Oh, April, you're here again. Okay. Welcome back, April. Okay, so this is just a little bit adjustment, but the same material. Yeah, we are talking about the past tenses, yeah, or past time basically. So last time we already covered present simple, present progressive, and then future simple, future. Yeah, I think future progressive. Yeah, but the mostly is like using shall. Using going to and will, and also present continuous and present simple. Yeah. So here we will focus mostly on the past tense, everyone. Okay. Okay. So the first one here. Oh, how come it's already in the ed? Oh, sorry, sorry, sorry. Okay, sorry. My bad, my bad. Okay, let me share it again. Open this up. Okay. Sorry, everyone. Okay, this time. Okay. Oh, it's supposed to be at the first one. Sorry. Oh, okay, this one. Sorry. Yeah, this one. Okay. My mistake. Okay, so this is using the be in the past time. Yeah. So as you can see, what is the be? Yeah, everyone. This is we call it the auxiliary verb. Yeah. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So we are using the be. The be is like am, was, or were. Yeah. But in present we use am, is, are. But you are now focusing on the past time. Yeah. So past time is only two, using the was and were. Okay, so here, as you can see, we have in the present I am, and then is, yeah, and then past time was, and then present time is, then past time is was. Okay, and then present is are, of course past is were. Okay, so am, is, are in for present, and then past we can use only two, was and were. Okay, and then simple present, simple past, sorry guys, simple past tense of be, singular I was, plural we were, singular you were, and then plural the same you were, and then she, he, it was, and then plural they were. Okay, so this is the formula for the past tense that you have to remember. I, he, she, it we use was, and then we, you, they we use were. Okay, let's practice over here. What do we use this one, everyone? The present of
I
be.
was at work today.
Ah, thank you, Miss Muti. Yes, I am at work today. What about the past one? Anybody know?
I am at work yesterday.
I am? Are you sure?
I am I am was at work yesterday.
Are you sure you're still using the am like this one?
I am at work.
That's the present. What about the past one?
I was at work yesterday.
Okay, thank you, Arumi. I was at work yesterday. Thank you. So remember that when we're talking about the past tense, there always what you call it, adverb of time. Ada keterangan waktunya ya. Yesterday, ago, last, ya. They always put those words, okay? Mereka pasti akan ditaruh keterangan waktunya. Okay, what about this one? Ya, bareng-bareng.
He was in the pool today.
Are you sure? He was? He's present though. Ada keterangan waktunya present.
Is.
He is.
He is full today.
He is. Oh,
He is
in the pool
okay,
today.
yes, thank you. He is in the pool today. Okay, what about the past?
He was.
He was in the pool last
He
week.
was last week.
Thank you, very good. Yes, he was in the pool last week. Very nice. Okay, what about this one?
The moon.
The mom.
The moon. The moon.
Moon.
The
The moon is huge tonight.
tonight.
Okay, we say huge, not hug, but huge. Yes, it's huge.
Tonight.
Huge. Yes, the moon is huge tonight. We don't say hug. Hug is like H-U-G without the E. We say it huge. Okay, the moon is huge tonight. What about the past?
You. Was.
The moon is.
The moon was huge last night.
Very good. The moon was huge last night. Okay, so we have the adverb of time. Yeah, we use the last. Yeah, this one, last night. Okay. Next one. What about this one? What can you say in the past?
The water was
The water was warm.
The water was warm today.
today.
Are you sure?
The water.
The water
was warm.
warm last night.
Okay, we don't say the water are, but we say
Was
yes. The water.
The water.
Oh, sorry. I cannot use this one though. Click to type. How to click it? The water was warm last night. You can say that, yeah. Okay, let's go to the negative.
Was not discussed.
Yes. We use the word not here. Okay, the
I was not.
in class yesterday. Good. Okay, can you read everyone?
I was
Tolong dibaca semuanya.
classes.
I was not in class yesterday.
Good.
Wasn't in class yesterday.
I was in class yesterday.
Okay, good. So was not, if we abbreviate, kalau kita singkat menjadi wasn't. Okay, we say wasn't. Can you say it? Wasn't. Wasn't. Very good. So was not becomes wasn't. Wasn't. Okay, next one. You were not at home last night.
Musik mati.
Could the music turn off, please? Okay, so you were not at home last night. Were not, we say weren't. Okay, so were not, we say weren't. Wasn't, was not, were not, weren't.
Like
Okay, let's practice here. What can we say this one? Jared is in class this morning.
Jared is in class this morning, but he wasn't in class yesterday morning.
Very good. Thank you, Muti. Yes, he wasn't in class yesterday morning. Okay, next one. Together.
They are in
They're
London
in
tonight, but
Hmm.
But
they weren't
they weren't in
how
London
in London last night.
Okay, yes, very good.
or
Arumi.
they weren't in
London.
London last
Well,
Yes, they weren't in London last night. Okay, we say weren't. Okay,
weren't.
let's practice. I'm happy today.
I'm happy today, but
Mhm.
But
I was
I wasn't. I am happy today,
yesterday.
but
I
I'm
was
wasn't.
I
Mm.
not was
I wasn't happy. I
yesterday.
wasn't yesterday.
I
I
wasn't
wasn't
happy. You forgot happy.
happy yesterday.
I
Okay.
am happy
Yes,
today.
that's right. I wasn't happy yesterday. So don't forget
Habis dong dia.
the adjective ya. If this is I'm
Tapi lagi
happy,
ini
and this
club.
one is I wasn't happy. Okay. How about this one?
The weather is nice, nice this week,
Mhm.
but the weather is not nice last week.
No, we don't say is not.
The
Was
weather is nice this week,
but
but it
The
wasn't.
weather
But
it
it
wasn't.
wasn't last
wasn't
week.
Very
It wasn't
good. It
last week.
wasn't. Yes, but
was but
we can say it wasn't, but we can say the weather wasn't nice. Okay, we can say
The
it
weather
wasn't.
wasn't nice
Yeah.
last night.
So this one, it is the same thing
It
as the weather.
water, the water.
Yes.
It is same the water.
The weather. Weather. Can you say it?
Weather.
Weather. Weather. Very good.
Weather.
Weather.
Weather is
How is the weather over there?
nice this week.
Gospi.
Was not.
Pak Gospi, how is the weather over there?
Weather is a good weather.
Is good weather? Oh, not raining?
Yes, clearly. Cloud.
Oh, cloudy.
In Manado is cloud.
Oh, Manado
Cloud,
cloudy.
clearly.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
In here, in Clayton, is already raining. That's why I'm using the headset.
Kelihatan.
Okay.
Kelihatan hujan.
You can hear it, the background. Okay, next one. We have the question. Okay, when we have question, we use the be in front. Ya, ini adalah salah satu be-nya ya, were. Or sometimes they use do menjadi do menjadi did ya. Jadi kata kerja bantunya ada did nanti, okay? Okay, we have yes or no question, short answer, and then long answer. Okay, the short answer is yes we are, and then the longer one we say the whole complete sentence. Yeah, we were in class yesterday. Okay, and then of course in negative, no we weren't. We put the longer sentence. We weren't in class yesterday. And then was Jean
You
at
were.
We weren't. Which one? Yes, this one. We weren't in class yesterday. And then was Jean at the library last week? And then yes, she was. She was at the library last week. If it's negative, no, she wasn't. She wasn't at the library last week. And then we have the WH question. Ya, kalau ada WH question, make sure this goes first. Okay, beda dengan yang berikut, yang before ya. If it was, we use the was first. Okay, we don't use the. If it's W, there's a WH question. We use the WH question and then the was over here. Okay. Where was Bill last winter? In Mexico. He was in Mexico last winter. Then where were they last month? On vacation. They were on vacation last month. Okay, let's practice here. What should we put here? Andrea in class on Friday. What do we use?
Was
Is
Good.
was
Wow.
Andre in class in Friday?
Okay, good. And then the answer?
No, she won. She was. She
No,
wasn't.
She wasn't.
Okay, yes. Thank you, Sari. No, she wasn't.
She wasn't.
Mhm.
She wasn't.
The longer one?
Uh,
she wasn't
wasn't.
in class
Uh-huh.
on
He is
Friday.
No, not he.
Was
It's
on-
she.
he is in class on Friday.
She wasn't.
She was.
She wasn't
Yes,
in
she
class
was in
in
class
Friday. On
Friday.
Friday.
Okay, good. Next one.
where are you
Where?
where
Okay.
Were you and
where
the late
last week?
Mhm.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, we were.
Yes, we were. Good. What about
We
the longer
were.
one?
Or
yes,
you
we
were
were at the lake last week.
Thank you. Yes.
We were at the lake last
We were.
Thank you, Muhammad
we
Hakim.
at the lake last week.
Yes, Anastasia. Thank you. Okay, next one. What about this one?
is Nina with you last week?
Were
Is? Are you
Was
sure? Ah.
was
Okay.
was Nina?
Was with me.
No,
No.
No, she was.
She was.
she was.
She wasn't.
Wasn't.
Was
Like
And
No,
then
she
the longer
She
wasn't.
one.
was.
with me last week.
She wasn't. Nina with you.
She wasn't with
She
me.
wasn't.
no, she
Yeah.
wasn't with me last week.
Yeah, she
Oh,
wasn't with
She
me.
wasn't with me.
She was.
Okay.
Okay, we can say like that, yeah.
She
Or we
wasn't
can
with me.
we can say no,
Okay.
she wasn't with you last week. Okay. Oh, with me, yeah.
You it
Because
to me.
she's asking you, yeah. Okay, next one. We use the
She wasn't with me.
the ed sound. Okay, the ed sound this one.
We walk.
Okay, we
walk.
walk to school every day. And then past simple.
We walk.
We walked.
We walked to
No,
school.
we don't say we walked.
every day.
We walked with a T.
We walked.
Yeah,
We
so
walked.
we walked to school yesterday. This one?
Hakim walks to school every day. Hakim walks.
No, walked.
Walks.
Walk.
Ya, walked.
Walked.
Jadi T-nya agak di akhir K ya. Jadi we don't say walked, but we say walked.
Walk.
Walked. Okay,
Walk.
yeah. So the
Hakim walked to school yesterday.
thank you. So the sound is T. Pronounce it
Hakim
T.
walk it ya.
Walked.
Walk.
Walk it.
Walk.
Wait. I will share one.
Right.
Sebentar. I will share one. Sebentar, everyone. I go here. Stekom mungkin ketiga ya kalau nggak salah. Okay, this one. Haya. Sorry. This one. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, this one. Okay, how to pronounce the ed sound, everyone? Okay, so in the past tense in English we have the ed. Yeah, there are different sound in ed. Yeah, we have the t sound, and then we have the d sound, and then we have the id sound. Okay, so the pronunciation depends on the last sound of the verb, not the spelling. Jadi kalau teman-teman baca kata tadi walked, ya walked, jangan bilang walked tapi walked. Nah, this
Walked.
so whenever an ed is ending with a p, k, ya kalau ada akhirannya p, k, s, and then t, ya t sound, f, and then t sound again, ya we say it t sound. So walk, we don't say walked, but we say walked. Help, we don't say helped, but we say helped, pakai t.
Yeah.
And then
Yep.
kiss, we don't say kissed, but we say kissed.
Kissed.
And then what about this one? Watch. Ah, good. Watched. We don't say watched, yeah, but we say watched.
Love.
Watched.
Okay, with a T, watched. And then laugh.
Loved.
Ah, good. Laughed.
Loved. Loved.
Laughed.
Love.
Thank you. And then what about the D sound this time? Sekarang ada soundnya seperti kayak soundnya d.
Sound.
When the verb ends in a voice sound, ya saat kata kerja yang akhirnya ada suaranya, ya suaranya tuh maksudnya kalau kita sentuh leher kita itu pasti akan bergetar, ya itu namanya sound, voice sound, letter, ya voice sound letter. Contohnya kayak b, g, l, m, n, r, o, v, and z. Ya, kalau akhirannya seperti ini, maka bunyinya adalah d. Okay, we say play, we don't say play it, but we say played.
Play.
Played. Good.
Played. Played. Played.
Played. Good. And then clean, we don't say clean it,
Clean.
but we say cleaned.
Clean.
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 Cleaned.
Okay.
Clean.
Yes, very good.
Clean.
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 And then we don't say
Bentar di tenggorokan. Di
Called.
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 Called. Pakainya D. Yes. We don't say called, but we say called.
Call.
All.
Open.
Okay.
We don't say open it.
Open.
Open.
Opened.
Open.
Yes, very good. Opened. And then love.
Love.
Loved. No, we don't say love it. We don't say love it. No, we say loved. Loved.
Love.
Nah, yes, loved.
Love.
That's right. We don't say love it. Yeah, we say loved. Loved.
Loved.
Okay.
Loved.
And then the last one is the id sound. Suaranya id. Kalau akhirannya adalah t and d. Kata kerjanya akhirannya t dan d, itu bunyinya id. Ya. For example, want, wanted,
Wanted.
wanted.
Oh. Yes.
Need,
Wanted.
needed. Pakainya
Needed.
id.
Needed.
Needed. Good. Start, started.
Started.
Good.
Starting.
And then
Started.
decided.
Yes, I did.
Yeah, that's
Decided.
right. Decided. Good. We don't say
Decided.
decided, but we say
I'm sorry,
decided.
sir. Was running.
Okay.
Love it.
That's right. Love it. Loved. Okay, next. Easy trick to remember, everyone. Kalau akhirannya bersuara, ya, tidak bersuara ya, kayak peh, keh, itu kan tidak bersuara. Itu pasti akhirannya bunyinya adalah teh. Ya, kayak worked. Worked. And then kalau
Work.
kata akhirannya adalah yang bersuara kayak bunyinya beh, itu pasti pronunciation-nya adalah d. Played. Played. Ya, played.
And then if it's endingnya with the T or D, we say id. Wanted. Wanted.
Wanted.
Yes, that's right. Wanted. Nah, oke, kita akan practice pronunciation-nya dulu ya. So, step 1, could you put your hand in your throat, everyone? Coba taruh tangan kalian di apa ya? Di leher ya kalau nggak salah. Ya, leher. Coba sebutkan S.
S.
Bergetar nggak lehernya?
Yes. Vibra.
No, sir.
Vibra.
Iya, bergetar nggak?
Yes. Yes.
Huh? Are you sure?
Yes.
S. Coba lehernya.
Bentar.
Mau sih?
Enggak.
S, bukan Z. No, S.
S.
Bergetar enggak?
Iya.
Bentar.
Enggak. Kalau S enggak bergetar. Kalau Z.
Z.
Nah, bergetar enggak?
Suara keluar.
Bergetar. Oke, that's if you feel like that ya, kalau yang bergetar itu pasti endingnya adalah endingnya adalah yang D. Ya, kalau yang bergetar pasti endingnya D. Tapi kalau nggak bergetar pasti endingnya is T. Oke. Oke, let's try this one. Walked. Bergetar nggak? Walked.
Walk it.
Walk.
No.
No. So kalau nggak bergetar we say walked.
Walk.
Yes, walked with a T. Helped.
Help.
Helped.
Help.
Okay.
Help.
And then
Yes.
kissed.
Kiss.
Kiss.
That's right.
Kiss.
And watch.
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 Thank you. Yes, watched with a T. And then the correct one is walked. Yeah. Okay. Next one, number 2. Oh, okay, number 3 this time. The sound one is with a D. Played.
Play.
Played.
Plate.
Mhm.
Clean.
Clean.
Cleaned. Cleaned.
Hold.
Hold. Good.
Love.
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 Yes. No, we don't say love it. We say love.
Clean,
Love.
Cleaned. Mhm.
loud.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, next one. We say the id sound. Id. Jadi kayak lidahnya tuh nyentuh gigi kita yang di depan. Id. So we say
Id.
wanted.
Wanted.
Needed,
Needed.
Needed. Okay.
needed,
Started.
Started.
Started. Okay.
Died.
Right?
Decided.
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 Yes. Decided.
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 Okay.
That's right. Okay, very good. All right. Next one. Okay, coba everyone say this one.
Walked. Played.
Played.
Yeah. Wanted.
Okay,
One.
good. What about the second row?
Clean, needed,
Yes. Very good. The third row.
Watch.
loved,
Started.
Okay, started. That's right. Wow.
Started.
Gampang kan?
Easy, man.
So easy, right?
Little.
Little.
Simple.
Yeah, that's right.
Lidahnya kayak mau di belajar titit.
Okay. And then so the next one is every time you try to speak it, try to practice it. Okay, walked,
Yes.
played, wanted. Yeah.
I walk to school.
Mhm. She
I walked
played.
to school yesterday.
Okay.
She played. She played.
She played
Uh-huh.
piano beautiful.
Good. And then
You want to watch a movie?
I want to watch.
He wanted to the wash To work.
Yes, we
A movie.
wanted to watch a
movie.
movie. That's right. Okay.
Terus ada it sound not spelling. Oh,
Okay, let's go to the previous one again. Okay. Where is it? Oh, this one. Okay. Okay. We're back again. Yeah. So walk, walked. Yeah, with a T. Walk. Okay. Next one. This one. The verb with the ed, the simple past. Yeah. So walked. I, you, he, she, he, it, we, they walked. So this is we focus on verb to, everyone. Kita sekarang ini pada fokus ke verb to-nya ya. The second verb. Okay, let's practice. What about this one? Mhm. No.
Yesterday I brushed my teeth.
Okay, yes. I brushed. With a T, brushed my teeth. Yes. So this one, the sound is brushed, is T sound. Okay. Verb 1 is brush, verb 2 is brushed. Yeah. Next one.
every day.
Mhm.
Every day Julie
Yesterday she
play piano yesterday.
Okay, played. Good. She played the piano. So played is
the
verb
piano.
1, played is verb 2. Okay, good. What about this one?
Yes, every day Edgar cooks. Yesterday Edgar cooked.
Yesterday. Cooked.
Cooked.
Cooks. Cooked.
No, we don't say cooked.
Cooked.
With a T sound. Cooked.
Cooks.
Cooked.
She cooks.
Ya,
He
remember
cooks.
the K sound, kalau ada K bunyinya this T. Ya, ingat-ingat kalau ada bunyi apa ada K pasti bunyinya T sound. Cooked.
Cooks. Cooks.
Cooked. Good.
Cooks.
Cooked. Leonardo. Okay, yes, next one.
bro.
Yesterday, last night, and ago. Nah, ini always there's a time word for the simple past. Ya.
Bob and Helen we had yesterday. Okay.
Yes, thank you. What about this one?
Bob was yesterday.
Bob was here yesterday.
here.
We say yesterday morning. We say yesterday afternoon. We say yesterday evening. Okay.
Evening.
And then last. Eve was here
last night.
last night.
Last night, last week, last month,
Mhm.
last year,
Mhm.
last spring, last summer, last Monday, last Friday.
Ya. When we use last, itu bisa malam, bisa minggu, bisa bulan, bisa tahun, bisa juga apa ini season, ya, musim. Bisa pakai musim atau bisa pakai hari. Ya. Jadi penggunaan kata last bisa pakai malam, minggu, bulan, tahun, musim, dan juga hari. Okay, and then we have the last one.
Omar was here 5 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, 6 days, 6 days ago, a month ago,
Years ago.
a year ago,
Years ago.
10 years ago.
Yes, that's right. So ago is always at the back, everyone. Jadi kalau penggunaan kata ago itu selalu di belakang. Ago tuh nggak boleh di depan. Oke? Kalau yang last boleh di depan.
Last night
Last night I went to, nah boleh. Last night boleh. Yesterday I went to boleh di depan. Tapi kalau kata ago itu nggak boleh letaknya di depan. Pastikan ago tuh letaknya di belakang, selalu di belakang. Oke? Kalau yang before kita boleh taruh di depan. Last week I went to something. And then yesterday I went to the beach, boleh. Tapi nggak bisa ago I went to the beach, nggak bisa dalam bahasa Inggris. Kalau ago tuh selalu letaknya di belakang. Yes.
Past time words.
Okay, yesterday with morning,
Afternoon, evening.
Last with
Like
Night, long, periodic of time, season, days of the week.
days of the week. Yes, ini jadi pasangannya ya. Kalau yesterday pasangannya pakai morning, afternoon, evening. Last pasangannya pakai night, period of time, season atau days of the week. And then ago ini semuanya bisa ya. Ago itu bisa semuanya.
5 minutes ago.
Yes, 5 minutes ago.
2 hours
10 minutes
ago.
I'm 20 late.
20 late. No, we don't say 20 late. I was late 20 minutes. We say that. Okay.
That's 20 minutes.
Yeah. We don't say a minute before. Yeah. Okay. What about this one, everyone? You use yesterday or last?
We want to last because he went.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
We went to the movie yesterday afternoon. What about this one?
Yesterday.
Last
I called you
Yesterday week?
last week.
Last week. Okay, yes, last week. I called you last week. Okay, what about this one?
Called you
Yesterday
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yes.
Morning.
Morning.
Dennis for South America yesterday morning.
Yes. Next one.
The sky was beautiful
Was beautiful.
last night.
Last night.
Very good. Last night. Okay. Now we have the irregular verb, teman-teman. Perhatikan irregular verb. Irregular verb itu artinya apa?
Irregular.
Kata kerja yang tidak beraturan. Ya. Jadi yang tadi kan kayak walked, jumped, cooked, ya itu semuanya akhirannya ada ed ya. Tapi sekarang ini irregular verb itu akhirannya tidak beraturan, tidak harus ed. Ya. Contohnya eat menjadi ate. Ya. Eat menjadi
Eight.
come.
Come.
Came. Come become came.
Came.
I come home
Come home every afternoon.
Thank you. This one?
I came home this afternoon.
Okay. Go becomes went.
When
I go
swimming
swimming.
every Thursday,
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
I went swimming last week.
Very good. Ride becomes road.
Write word.
Right.
Write a letter to my
Grandmother
grandmother every week.
Thank you. Next one?
I wrote a letter last week.
Yeah.
Last week.
Right, last week.
I
Road.
wrote a letter.
Okay. What about this one?
I have ice cream every Sunday.
Ice cream
Ice cream
Last
Sunday.
Last Sunday,
Okay, sudah ingat ya? Okay.
I have what I did
You
to
have
Ice cream.
What
You
did I
had-
do
You
last
had
Sunday?
ice cream.
You
You had ice
had. Okay. Good.
Yes, you had.
you have.
Okay, this one.
She sit at her
She's
desk
She is
every night.
to study
Just to study
tonight.
every night.
Her desk
She
like
sat at her desk last night.
She sits at her desk to study every night. She sat at her desk last night.
at her desk last night.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Next one.
She said.
She
Said.
She said.
He sat at her desk.
Yes, that's right. She
She
sat at her desk last night.
She sat at her desk.
Okay, what about this one?
She sees her
Best friend every
best
weekend.
friend every
She's
weekend.
ours.
She saw her last weekend.
So
Oke, sudah
she
ingat?
saw her last weekend.
Her
She sees her best friend every weekend. She saw her last weekend.
Her,
What about this one?
She saw
saw. She saw.
She
She
saw.
saw
Saw
the
She
teacher.
saw her best friend.
Okay, yeah. So, yeah, thank you. Oh, who's this one? Gideon. Okay, Pak Gideon, thank you very much. She saw. Okay. Next one. Negative, yeah. We put the not. I did not walk to school yesterday.
did not walk to school yesterday.
Okay, so the formula is subject, did, not, and then the main verb.
Drive.
Kata utamanya ya. Kata kerja utamanya. Drive to school yesterday. Okay, you did not drive to work yesterday. Mike did not cook dinner yesterday.
Mike did not cook dinner yesterday.
Cook dinner.
Okay. Then
They did not drive to work yesterday.
they did not.
Yesterday.
Okay, so there's always a adverb of time, keterangan waktunya ya, ada yesterday over here. Okay, this one negative, we put did not. Yes, karena di sini simple past itu hampir sama dengan simple present. Harus ada kata kerja bantunya itu do. Kalau ya di sini did karena is past ya. Karena di sini past maka bentuknya adalah did. Tapi kalau present bentuknya adalah do. Okay, I
didn't watch the
Oh, very
last time.
good. I didn't.
Watched a movie last night.
I didn't play score yesterday.
Score? What is that?
Soccer.
Soccer. That's right. Soccer.
Soccer.
Okay, so negative in contraction atau disingkat did not menjadi didn't.
Didn't.
That's
Didn't.
right. Kalau dalam speaking banyak native speaker we use didn't. Yeah, didn't.
Didn't.
Okay, what about this one?
We don't eat breakfast every day. We ate
Don't
breakfast every day.
every day.
Didn't
We
eat
didn't
breakfast
breakfast
today.
today.
Didn't?
But we didn't. Oh, didn't
Okay, yes.
eat
We didn't
breakfast
eat breakfast
Breakfast today.
Tuesday. Okay.
Tuesday.
I don't sleep well very night. I sleep
But
well.
I
But I didn't.
Didn't sleep well on
I
Tuesday
sleep
night.
well last night, but I didn't sleep well on Thursday
That's
night.
right, because we have the-
didn't sleep.
Yeah,
You don't
I didn't
sleep.
because there's a but here. Okay. Next one. We have the yes or no question. Yeah. Did Laurie walk to work?
Did not.
Yeah. Did Laurie
Did-
walk to work?
subject main verb.
She did.
Yes, she did. She did. She did
Walk to work.
to walk.
Now my question is this one. Why the word walk is not walked? Gak ada ed-nya kenapa di sini? Harusnya ini past tense kan?
S.
No. Kok kan nggak pakai ed di sini? Kan ini past tense. Harusnya kan walked. Kenapa? Why this one doesn't use ed?
Because did.
Ah yes,
Because did.
did.
It used
Yeah,
did.
thank you, Pak Gideon. Yeah, because there's a did here. This one
Did.
is represent the past. Jadi sini sudah diwakili bentuk pastnya ya. Okay, did Laurie walk to school? No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
Didn't. Thank you, Sari. And then the longer one, she didn't walk to.
Didn't walk to school.
She didn't.
Okay.
She didn't walk.
Yes, he didn't walk to school. What about this one?
Did
Did
you
you practice
practice
the violin?
Yola?
Did you practice
Violin.
the violin?
Violin.
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Yes,
I did.
What about the longer one?
Practice.
Practice.
Okay, I practiced the violin. Okay, next
Yeah.
one. Did you practice the violin? Negative one is no, I didn't.
No, I didn't. I didn't practice the violin.
Okay, thank you, Keishi. Okay, let's practice. Did you
Yes,
see
yeah.
your dad today?
Yes, I did.
What about the longer
No,
one?
I did. No, I didn't.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did.
I saw my dad today.
Okay, I saw my dad today. Thank you, Mas Muhammad. This one. What about the question?
Did you see my
Did you saw your brother today? Did you see your brother today?
Did you see your brother today? Okay,
Did
good.
Did you see brother today?
So when we use the question, we put the did in front first, okay? Alright, next one. We went to a party last night. What about the question?
What did you do last night?
Okay, what did you do last night?
What do you want? What did you do last night?
Yes. What did you do last night? Not what do you want? What did you do last night? Okay. And then we went to a party last night.
We went to
Okay.
a party last
Yep. Next one. What about this question?
Yes, did Andrea use vocation?
Did Andra go on
Andrea.
vacation?
Oh,
This is
Wow.
Andrea.
Did Andra go on
Andrea go on vacation.
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 That's right, vacation.
Penginapan.
No, not penginapan. Liburan. if it vacant, it's vacant is penginapan. You can say vacant is penginapan, but vacation is liburan atau holiday. Okay, now we have the second group of irregular verb. Yeah, we say bring, brought. Okay, so bring, brought.
Bring brooch.
Kau ngapain?
I was give to birthday parties.
Bawain Aisyah tuh dong.
I brought a gift to your party yesterday.
Okay,
Enggak.
Right.
drove.
Ada apa aja?
She drives.
To school.
Anggur.
To school.
Drove to school today.
Okay, good. This one.
Run.
Okay.
Kalian lagi mana?
He runs to school.
To school this morning.
This morning. So whenever is already like 5 minutes ago, kalau udah 5 menit yang lalu itu kita masuk ke dalam bentuk past ya. So this morning it means it's already past. Okay, bye. Bought.
Bought.
Okay.
Bought.
Catch.
Caught.
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 Drink.
Choke.
Drunk.
Drag. Read. Read. Okay. Ride.
Road.
Road. Shut.
Shoot.
Shut is shut. Okay, yes.
Shoot.
Shut.
Stop.
Okay. Teach.
Stop.
Talk.
Talk.
Think.
Talk.
Talk.
Coba. I want to test everyone. Let's see over this one. Mbak Mister coba yang ini dulu ya. Mana ini sebentar. Sorry. This one. Okay. Can you see in your screen? Everyone? Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay. Can you mention for me the verb to? Okay, Arumi, it's okay. Mention the verb to for me.
Come.
Come becomes?
Become.
Coming.
No. Comes not
Come.
coming.
Come. Become.
Came.
Came. Become, became. Begin?
Begin.
Begin?
Began.
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 Break?
Broke.
Broke. Good. Bring?
Bro.
Brought. Catch?
Catch.
Caught. Come?
Came.
Come.
Came.
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 Drink?
Drunk.
Drunk. Okay. Eat? Ate. Good. Fall?
Fall.
Fail.
Fall.
Fail.
Fail?
Feel.
Falling. Okay.
Fall is?
Fall.
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 Also fall.
Fail.
Fall is?
Fail.
Fail. Okay, fail. Fail. F-E-double-L. Fail. Feel?
Felt.
Felt. Forget?
Forgot.
Get.
For?
Get.
No, not forget it. Forgot. Okay.
Forgot.
Get?
Got.
Got.
Again.
Give.
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 Okay.
Give.
Give.
Okay.
Give.
Give.
Here?
Give. Give.
Hurt.
Heard.
Hurt.
Her.
Hurt.
Heard.
Hurt.
Hold.
Help. Help.
Held. Okay, held. Keep.
Help.
Kept.
Kept. No.
New.
New. Okay. Learn.
Left.
Learn. Okay, learn with a T. Pakai T ya. Learn. Leave.
Left.
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 Very good.
Okay.
Let.
Left.
Let. Let juga. Okay, let. Let juga. Make.
Made.
Made. Okay. Pay.
Paid.
Paid.
Paid. Okay. Put.
Put.
Put. Okay. Read.
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 Okay, read.
Read. Read.
Read. Say.
Said.
Said. S-A-I-D. Okay, said. Shut.
Said.
Shut. See.
Shut. The same. Okay, shut.
Shut.
Sit.
Sat.
Sat. Very good. Speak.
Had.
Spoke. Okay. Stand.
Stood.
Stand.
Stood.
Stood. Okay, yeah, stood. Take.
Took.
Took. Okay. Tell.
Told.
Told.
Told. T-O-L-D. Told. Okay. Think. Thought.
Thought.
Yeah, thought. Right.
Wrote.
Road. Gideon, thank you. Alright. Okay, let's go back to this one. Okay, what about this one?
Horse. My horse.
I rode my
I ride.
I ride my horse every Sunday. I rode him last Sunday.
Okay, good.
Him.
Rode him last Sunday.
First. I brought him yesterday.
Okay, next one.
Class.
What do you?
What did I do? I do yesterday? Sunday. I wrote.
I rode
Your horse. You rode your horse
You rode your horse
Yes.
last?
Yes.
Okay, you rode your horse, yes.
last Sunday.
Last Sunday, you can say that. Okay, next one.
I teach a class every Monday night. I taught a class last Monday night.
Okay, thank you, Maria. Okay, good. I teach a class every Monday night. I taught a class last Monday night. What did I do last Monday?
I
I
Class.
I taught class. Okay.
Teach do last Monday.
No, we don't say teach. We say taught. I
Taught.
taught a class. Okay. Next one.
Someone broke the window.
Irregular verb group 3. Someone broke the window. Break becomes broke. That child breaks everything.
that you
Mm. Broke my coffee cup. Okay. Meet becomes
meet
yeah, meet and met. Yeah, this is we say it met. Ya, bukan meet lagi ya, tapi meet, met, not met. Met. Ya, meet and met. I can meet you after school.
Can meet you.
after school.
Okay, and then they met
They met in the English class.
in the English class.
Okay. Sing,
Sing song.
sang.
Sing song.
Sang.
Okay.
Song.
Sang, no, sang.
I like to sing the new song. I like to sing.
like to sing a song.
I sang a song. I sang a new song.
I sang a new song
A
last night.
new song last night.
Wake up, woke up.
Wake up. Woke up. Sometimes I wake up early.
I woke up
Today I woke up late.
Yes.
Today I woke up
today. I woke up late.
Okay, we have next one.
Fly.
Fly.
Flew.
Flew.
Fly. Flew.
Hear. Heard.
Heard.
Leave.
Left.
Left.
Nggak percaya amat jadi manusia.
Pay.
Bye.
Ring.
Apa?
Ring.
Orang dari tadi jam 3.
Okay. Speak.
Orang kira aku kasih
Spoke. Okay.
Spoke.
And then
Habis itu
take.
lagi makan.
Took.
Take
Okay, so
two.
all of this is the verb to ya teman-teman. Jadi ini adalah
Apa
verb
sih?
to. This one is verb 1. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's practice. I
I sent email.
Email.
I sent email today.
Email today.
Next one.
What did I send?
What did I
Send email.
Yeah, you
I
sent email.
You
Sent
sent
email.
email. You sent
This one.
I sing
Sing in my
in my
car
car.
every
Sing
day.
in my
I
Yesterday
car.
I
sing
sung
in my
a new
car.
song.
Yesterday I
Yesterday I
sang
sang
Yesterday
a new
I
song.
sang a
a
new
A
new
song.
new
song.
song.
Yes, very good.
And
I
new
sang
song.
a new song. Okay. What did I do yesterday?
I what
You
did I
sang.
do
I
yesterday?
sang
Sang.
You
You
sang
I
you sang
I
a
sang yesterday.
you sang a new song.
Okay, you sang a new
you
song.
sang
Sang
a
sing.
song.
No, Giovanni.
Lagi 20 menit.
Okay, next we have the
Jangan.
group four. Group four.
Begin. Begin.
Begin
Begin. Begin.
begin
Begin. Begin.
begin my
People begin college at age
begin college
18.
eight
She began college at
College at age
35.
35.
Where?
begin college
Where were
There
Four.
were
I work in
I
my new job.
I
I
I
were a new
wear.
program at know my
uniform.
job at
I
my new
I
job.
I
I
wear
wore a
clothes
regular clothes
my
at
own
my
Okay,
old
good.
job.
I wore a regular clothes at my old job. Okay, fine.
I found
Found. I
Found.
found
found.
Lose.
lost
Lost.
Lost. Okay, lose and lost. Then hang.
Hang
Hung.
hong.
Hung.
hang
Say.
on
Hang say and
Save.
say.
Sell.
Sell
Sold.
and
sold
sold.
Sold. Steal.
Sold.
Steal and
stole
Told. Tell.
sell and
tell
told.
Told. Good. And then tear.
till tell
Or
Tore. Tear and
till
tore.
to
Yes.
there.
What about this one? Let's
I
practice.
Like
like I
I
don't
I like
I like to sell things I
now
don't use anymore. Yesterday I sold.
sold my
I
old
anymore.
sell.
Yesterday I
things
sold
I
Sell.
don't
my
use
old
anymore.
baseball.
Yesterday I
Yes.
sold my
Thank you. Very
old
good.
baseball.
Okay, next one. What did I do yesterday?
you saw
you baseball
You
yesterday.
sold
So you
your
you
old
old
baseball.
Yes, you sold your old baseball. Very good. Next one.
Baseball.
I always.
LL was hung my
I
tools
was
on
I always
Hang.
hang my tools on
noodles
grader
on
was
my
like
last weekend. I
hung the rag
hung
on
the
the
rag
great
on the
wall.
I
great
heard
wall.
Okay,
the
good.
difference.
What did I do yesterday?
What did I do yesterday?
You you
I hung.
hung
I
you
hung.
You
Hey, you hung.
You hung.
You hung
you hung
Which one? I hung what?
what?
I hung the
The rag
Noodles
the
on
on
the
the
rake.
great
great
today.
Yes.
wall.
On the
The rag
garage
on the
wall.
great wall.
Okay. Okay, let's go to
The
the next
great
one.
wall.
We have another one here before we have finished. So I will share another one for you. Oh, which one is it? Sorry. Where is it? It's not here. Sebentar everyone. I lost the file. Okay, over here. This one. And then number 2. Oh, sorry, not this one. Okay, yeah, this one. Oh, sorry. ada ya. Sebentar. Part 2. Okay, sorry. Kelihatan? Yeah, this one's part 2. Okay, now we're using the simple past where, when, and what time and why. Okay, so this one, the question is, did you go home? Yes, I did.
I did.
Yes, I think.
No, I didn't.
No, I didn't. Okay, then where did you go?
Home.
Home. Okay. Were you at home?
Yes, I
Yes,
was.
I
Yes,
was.
I
No, I
No,
wasn't.
I
No, I
wasn't.
wasn't. Where were you?
Home.
Home. That's right. So when there's a WH question, we go this one first, yeah. Okay. And then, did you drive because you were late?
Yes, I did.
Yes,
Yeah.
I
No, I
did.
didn't.
No, I
Why did
didn't.
you drive?
Because I was
Because I
late.
was late.
Because I was late. Yeah. And then remember when there's a why, we use the because, yeah, for the reply. Okay. Did Ali go to at 6? Yes, he did.
Yes, I did.
Yes,
No,
he did.
No, he didn't.
He did.
Okay. And then what time atau when time?
What time?
What time atau when
Did
did
I
Aldo
go?
go?
At 6.
At 6.
At 6.
Okay. So what time and when we can say
At
the same.
4.
Ini artinya
At
sama
4.
ya, the
What
same
time
meaning.
did I go? At 4.
Mhm.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock,
12 around
around 4:30 on Friday.
Friday.
Kalau when
Month.
itu bisa
On Friday.
on Friday, last month, November, ya. But
No.
when we say what, it's only specific time, ya.
29.
But when we say when, it's everything. Okay, you can use day, month, or even year. Okay, so this one, when is various, but what is only specifically for the time. Okay, to learn English, I went to class to learn English.
Yes, I want to study English.
What about the question? Anybody know? Pakai apa ini? What, when, atau
Why did you went to
okay,
class?
yes. Why did you
Oh,
go
you
to
go to
class?
class.
Yeah, to learn English. Okay, next one. Yes, I did. I ate breakfast.
Did you eat breakfast?
Okay, thank you.
Eat
Mas Muhammad,
breakfast.
did you eat breakfast? Yes. What about this one?
You don't eat.
What did
Did you eat breakfast?
Okay, did you eat breakfast?
Breakfast.
Yes, did you eat for
Did
breakfast?
you eat for breakfast?
What did you eat? Thank you. Okay, next one. Question with what? Yeah, what did Joe see? So, question word, helping verb, and then subject. Okay. So, question word, we have here the WH question, yeah. Question word, and then helping verb, and then the subject. Ini pasti urutannya seperti ini ya, teman-teman. Okay. What is Jen eating? An apple. Yes, she is. She is eating an apple. Okay. Sam Sam drank some milk. Some milk, it means object of the verb. Okay, what did Sam drink? So this one. We have 5 more minutes before we go. What is the question?
What did you?
What did you? What did?
What?
What did they
What did
see?
they see?
What did they see? They saw a movie. Okay. What about this one?
What do you want gift for your birthday?
What do you want for your birthday?
Yes. What do you got
What
for your
did
birthday?
you get for
What
your
did you
birthday?
get for?
Oh, what did you
What
got?
did you got?
Oh, what did you get?
Yes.
Okay, what did you get for your birthday? Yes, very good.
What?
What about this one?
What is very
What do you
like?
like to do?
What do they like?
What do they like?
What they like to do?
What do they like to do? Okay.
What did they like?
Yes.
What do they like to do?
That's right, Muti. What do they like to do? Okay. Next one. Who did you
What do
see?
they like to do?
What did you see? A bird. We saw a bird.
Over.
Okay. And then what? Kalau what ini untuk things ya. And who is for the people. Okay, everyone.
Oh.
Kalau what untuk things and who untuk people. Okay, who did you see? Who did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. Whom did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. So whom and who is the same meaning. Okay. Jadi kalau kita pakai whom and who is the same meaning. Artinya sama. Whom is formal English and who is everyday English. Okay. Jadi kalau ada orang British pakainya whom, itu berarti we know that he's from England. But when American talk, they always say you, who. Yes. Biasanya kalau orang Inggris pakainya whom, tapi kalau orang American we pronounce it who. Okay. Whom or who did she see? Oscar. She saw Oscar. Whom or who is means the object. Okay, the object of the verb. Who came? Zoe. Zoe came. Who did that? Pedro. Pedro did that. Knows. Who knows her? Leah. Leah knows her. Okay, who is the subject? Who is the subject? Yeah. Okay, what about this one? Let's practice this one.
Abe read the message. They called Mariola.
Who emailed Abe?
Abe called Mariella.
Who emailed Abe?
Mariella. Mariella.
Okay. Who read the email?
Abe.
Abe.
No.
Abe, that's right. Who called Mariana?
Abe.
Abe.
Abe? Yes. Okay, good.
Abe called.
This one.
Alright.
Okay. Who bought a new car?
Jalal.
Who borrowed it?
Amin.
Who went for a ride with Abe?
Jane.
Jalal.
Jane.
Jen.
Who went for a ride with Amin? Jane.
Jane or Jalal?
Jen.
Jane?
Jen for a ride.
Yes, Jane. That's right. Okay, how much did your car cost? Okay, this one.
How much did your car cost?
Cost. How much it cost? Forgot.
Forgot.
Okay.
Did I forget your birthday?
Last night. Yes, last year.
I forgot your birthday last
Yeah.
year.
Oh, okay, good. Gave.
Gave.
Yeah.
Okay, she gave me
She gave me a very nice gift. Yesterday she gave me a
Yesterday she gave me
CD.
Yesterday she gave me
We have
cut
hit,
hit
hurt,
hurt
land,
land
okay. Make,
make
shut,
shut
spend,
spend
okay, and then understand,
understand
understood.
okay, baik. I think that's all for today. Jadi just remember guys, for verb to, ya, for simple past, we only focus on verb to. Oke, teman-teman. Jadi kalau simple past ini fokusnya kita hanya di verb to aja ya. So let me see. We go back from the beginning. Okay, this one. Nah ya. So this one we are focusing nanti on the irregular verbsnya ya. So we still focus on the group 6 on the next meeting. Okay, I think that's all for today. We have 16:41 the time. Okay, let's have a open camera for documentation. Thank you for coming, everyone. Let's have a screenshot. Everyone is coming today. Wow, Mr. Gideon, I like your background. Is that the beach? Is that?
Yes, sir.
Wow, I like it.
Biar kerasa lagi liburan gitu, padahal kita lagi kerja, Pak.
Okay, ready? We'll take a picture in 3, 2, 1. Okay. One more. Sebentar. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Kayak bebas?
Okay.
Kayak bebas. One more. 3,
Kata
2, 1. Okay, thank you very much everyone for coming this
Thank you, sir.
lesson.
Nice
Thank
to meet you.
Nice to
Thank you,
meet you
sir.
too. See you on the
sir.
next week
Thank
on
you.
Saturday.
Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, everyone, I think that's all for today. The lesson. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Trying to. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Lesson. We already have past 1 hour and 30 minutes. We have the time. Thank you for coming. See you guys on the next English learning video. Yeah, thank you very much for listening and also watching. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.